right, boys and girls, lesson 9, level 5. Let's jump straight into it, okay? Okay, do this. For each image, fix the name according to the following rules. And what they mean by that is they want you to look at the file names over here in the left-hand column and fix them because they have some problems. Okay, there are certain conventions, certain rules you should follow when you're naming your files. And so the first thing is you want to avoid special characters such as the ampersand, the question mark, the percent sign, the backslash, and parentheses. So let's go through and look for any files that have those and fix them, meaning take them out. So we can see that we have one called axolotl, walking fish. So let's just remember, and the second thing it says, make sure the name has a specific meaning that helps you know what the image is. So if it said axolotl, I don't even know what that is. Do you know what that is? So let's just rename this. By the way, it's a 2-finger tap on the trackpad, 2-finger tap. That's like a right click on the mouse to go to the rename option. And then we can, let's just get rid of the parentheses and let's get rid of that first word because it's meaningless. And it says we can use dashes and underscores instead of spaces. So that one's looking pretty good, just as walkingfish.jpg. So that one's good. Okay, says keep the names also as short as possible, still have clear meaning. So let's go through and rename them so that they follow all the rules and don't break any of the rules, okay? So this file, what is this? This looks like a frog. It's different than that one. It's different than the salamander. Okay, so it's different than all these other ones. I'm going to call it, rename it, call it green frog. Okay, green frog. Easy, green frog. You call it whatever you want. Okay, amphibian.css is okay. It's a CSS file, we don't have to worry about it. Okay, salamander.jpg, we don't want to use, remember we want to avoid special characters. That would include the exclamation mark, so let's delete that. Okay, delete the exclamation mark. Now it's firesalamander.jpg, looks good. Green frog, okay. This one's breaking a rule. What is this one breaking? Look at this one. What's this one breaking? Remember, it wants us to use dashes or underscores instead of spaces, right? And you can see this one has a space in it. So let's get rid of that. Let's put the dash in there instead. I prefer dashes instead of underscores, but totally your choice. You can do whatever you like. So that one's done. Now there's only one of them we haven't fixed yet. It's this one. Paratype of a Pidophyr. Look at the name of this file. Look at that. Paratype of a Pidophyrin. Oh, I have no idea what that means. So let's just call it like brown frog or something. Make it simple, right? Something that's descriptive. We know what it means. Brown, hey, what's it doing? Brown frog. Done. There we go. So now all our files, brown frog, fire salamander, green frog, Connie bush frog, and walking fish. Done. They don't break any of the rules, and they all are descriptive. They're all short. Good job, boys and girls. You can name them anything you like, but I'm just showing you an example. Let's move on to the next lesson.